Hey everyone, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe, and if you are already going on exam, just skip to the last part of the video and you can check the actual code from there and just submit that. It will work 100%. And if you already done with your exams and trying to understand how to solve this code, then do continue to watch this from the start. So let's move on. So the question here is asking for an online store. Okay, so this is the online shop questions answer. We need to give the first name, last name, email ID, and also the total amount from these particular two tables. And before that we need to group the details in the according to the particular profiles, like for those who have similar first name, last name and email, they will be grouped together. Also one thing they have mentioned, that we need to sort the result or order the result according to our total value or total amount, and this should be limited to only particular month, like 2022 June month details will only be considered. Also we need to show only the top three values. Okay, so there is the table schema. From here you can understand, in the profiles table there is ID, first name, last name and email, and in the deals table there is a profile ID. So this profile ID and profiles tables ID are particularly foreign key and these are same, so we need to join according to this. Also there are date column, that is the DT column. From there we will be checking the month and year condition, that is 2022 June. And their third one is amount, so we will be adding those amounts with particular similar profile, and then we will be sorting them and we'll show the top three. So let's move on to the solution now. So from the solution you can see that there are basically four things we need to show in our output. So the first thing will be first name, then last name, then email ID, and the main thing, that was the last thing, will be the sum of all the amounts. Okay, so the total amount we need to show, so that we will be using sum aggregate function here. And for the sum of total function, total amount, we will be showing that as total. Okay, the column heading will be total. So we have mentioned that. And which tables we are using? So we are using profiles P and deals D, these two tables. So we will be joining them using the join condition, as I have already mentioned. P dot id equals to D dot profile id. And the conditions we will need to check is the year and the month condition, because only 2022 June is supposed to be considered. So we will be using where clause for that, and year function and month function will give us the value of the year and month. So we will be checking like it's equals to 2022 and 6 or not. After the checking is done, we need to group by. So for grouping by, we will be using first name, last name and email, because that for same profile these three will be same. So we are grouping by using that. And then at the end we need to order them according to descending order of total. So we will be using order by total, DSC. And we need to only show top three columns out of the output. Okay, sorry, top three rows of the output. Okay, so that's why I have using the limit 3 function, that will give only top three values. So again, if you are new, do subscribe to the channel, and thank you for it.